Hi, my name's Nicole, and I'm a customer success specialist at Ayolab. I take care of all of our clients' needs, including getting them trained on the app. Ayolab helps your brand answer 3 key business questions about its marketplace distribution. 1. Who are the sellers selling your brand's top products? 2. Where do they come from? And 3. How much of your business is going towards unauthorized distribution channels? In order to help answer these questions, Ayolab maps all of the sellers that are active on your brand, detects cross-border flows, and monitors the Amazon buy box in order for you to focus your trade efforts on key sellers. Let's dive deep into the app. Our Tree Map of Sellers feature detects online players selling your brand's products on any website. Our tree map displays the number of sellers as well as the number of offers on the site, with offers being defined as the unique combination between a seller and a product. The size of the boxes on our tree map are proportionate to the size of the assortment that each seller is offering. And our custom color coding displays the price gap between the recommended retail price and the average price that the seller is offering for your products. You can dive deep into the app in order to view each offer at the granular level and download the table as a CSV or as an Excel file. We can also geolocate any unauthorized sellers. Here we're looking at a map of sellers active on a particular brand selling on Amazon Germany. We can see that outside of German sellers, there are many other sellers selling from Western and Eastern Europe. If we zoom out of the map even further, we can see players that are selling from North America and even India, potentially at even lower prices than German sellers. Finally, brands can use our buy box monitoring feature in order to better understand their share of the buy box on both direct and indirect ASINs. The buy box refers to a white box on an Amazon product page in which you can add items to your cart. With at least 82% of sales going to the winner of the Amazon buy box, brands need reliable data in order to understand which sellers are winning the buy box most often on their products. Direct ASINs refer to references on products for which the brand is selling the products directly to Amazon 1P. On the other hand, indirect ASINs refer to products that the brand is not selling directly to Amazon 1P, but that can still be found on the website. As an illustration, Amazon 1P can be winning the buy box on a specific ASIN 98% of the time. However, when taking into account all ASINs, including direct and indirect ASINs, this win rate decreases significantly. Our clients have found this feature particularly useful in avoiding suboptimal ad allocation on their products.